My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say him?
Ageable.
Okay.
It was his birthday. So, his wife organized a surprise birthday party for him. So they wake up in the morning, so she no give him no heads up, you know. She no talk to him. Children they know. But she no talk to him about no birthday. So the man he wake and nobody knows nothing about birthday and him not go to work. And he feels so mad, feels so down.
Oh, nobody no wish him happy birthday.
No. But the wife organized one with her friend to keep the surprise birthday party over Fair House and give her the money to treat the man to lunch, buy him a suit, you know, treat him right, and then you try to lower him over Fair House.
That a friend house.
Friend house.
Mm-hmm.
So when you go to work, you have a friend at work. So the friend say, hi, happy birthday. You say, you know what? You know, he's the first person to tell me happy birthday. My wife, my children don't tell me nothing happy birthday. And that's bad. She said, never mind about that. I'm here for you. So when lunchtime comes, she treat him to lunch. They go have lunch. And then ready to come home. She said, I want to buy you a suit for your birthday. So them go two of them drive in a separate car, go to the store and he pick a suit and she pay. She get the money to buy it. So she buy him a suit. I say, time early man, no go mate, come over my house. Over your house? Yes, over my house.
So by that time, he must set himself that this woman up to something, man.
Maybe him feel so, but him don't understand what go on.
Oh.
So, them go over Fair House down. So, them go inside and they sit up on the sofa, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Talk a little bit. So she say, alright, hold on there. You get a fresh up, me soon come. You get a fresh up, me soon come. So, him say, alright, so don't go now. So him take off him clothes.
Check say a scrape out time.
Right. So him take off him clothes now. And no light no turn on, you know. And wait. So she blow on her back now, set up your hard and set up everything. Just Papa like, surprise! Boom.
How will you say to me? So,
Your wife, your children, your naked.
so all this time,
He believes
you feel say some hand scrape, you know, go on.
Yes.
I never noticed a birthday surprise party in wife plan for him how long.
So he set up himself.
So,
I him set up himself.
and them get a surprise.
I don't want to wait.
The wife and the pit them everybody surprise.
Where you want me to talk? And them get the surprise. And them surprise. You know when you could, and the only thing you could do, take up floor but I wrap around him. The wife said, all the children but the whole.
What you say? They come in the cuisine with the food well stiff.
Oh, master, I'm get wicked master. I'm waiting up. Because all and all in the say now. Say, girl, can go for him, for create the hug. So when the girl say, alright, I swung the back. I'm going to get a fresh up and come back. He'll take off him clothes. And he there wait. So the girl groaning and say, yeah, man, there. So, them come on and turn on the light and say, surprise! Man naked and he picked everybody and the children never look for him. Oh, you know what I mean?